So here in Oregon, graywater used to be illegal, which sounds crazy. And there's a movement sweeping the country led mostly by grassroots activists. And here in Oregon, I came across it. It was called the recoding movement. So it was people pushing back against building codes and saying, that's ridiculous. I should be able to take my graywater, and we're not talking, black water is the term that describes your sewer line. You generally don't want to use that with gardening. But gray water, as long as you're using soaps and not detergents, and there are certain ones like the Oasis brand that are biodegradable, so you want to make sure to do that. Gray water is totally safe as long as you're treating it well. So you can do gray water in Oregon now. They've changed the laws. And some people, what they'll do is they'll even have a valve on a drain so they can decide like, okay, this I just want to go to my septic system or the sewer line if you're tied into the city sewer or into my garden setup. So thinking that through, you got to check in with your local county or state, but I'm pretty sure gray water rules are statewide. And also, if gray water is illegal where you live, maybe you want to join your local recoding movement and lend your voice toward the more sensible use of water. And I tend to look at it when in the West here, there are concerns about drought, and drought is a very real consideration. It's absolutely absurd to not be using our gray water if there is drought. So there's problem, solution. They usually go hand in hand.